Hi everyone, I'm Erica, and in today's video we're going to get straight into an all-day clean with me video. This morning we took the girls to the park and had a picnic and stayed a while, so now they're napping and I'm going to clean up a bit. I also have window cleaning, laundry, and a project in our dining room on my list for today.
Act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control. Play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical.
If you're new to my channel, I'm so glad that you found your way here, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Connecting with you all keeps me going to try to keep my home pulled together, and in turn, things go a lot more smoothly around here. I hope you find some motivation and inspiration and enjoy today's video. So now I'll clean up my makeup and hair products. My poor husband. We have double sinks and I still use up the whole counter. After all this is taken care of, I'm going to go downstairs to wash the front windows.
I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control. Play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa,
This candle is from Yankee Candle and it's called Secret Bloom. I've been burning it non-stop since I bought it. As usual, I'm just using water on the mirrors, but I'm using Mrs. Meyer's spray in lavender on the counters, sinks, and cabinets. If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video. You just saw everything I'll be using to clean these windows. I'm using my favorite Dawn dish soap and water to clean the bottom of the windows and water with a splash of vinegar for the actual windows. I'm going to vacuum everything out first and then use a sponge to get out all of the dirt.
I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, I could have gone so far. Hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. We're like strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. All we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be.
Since I want to wrap things up before the girls get up from their nap, I'm only cleaning these 3 windows and I'll get to the rest another time. But here's another great before and after.
Like strangers again. I better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair.
We won't need these jackets for much longer, but they really needed to be washed, so I'm going to throw them in the dryer while I fold this laundry.
You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed.
I'd forgotten that this shirt needed stain treater before it went through the wash, so I'm going to add that and wash it again later.
something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like
I was cracking up because I thought this shirt needed to be turned inside out, and I turned it back and forth 3 times.
Sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful. I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know.
Now that the laundry is finished, Dave is also finished working and is going to help me drill holes in the dining room to hang a couple of mirrors. We recently bought a new dining room table as well, so first I'm going to show you the before and then I'll show you how we've changed it.
You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful.
To take out the old dining room table and pick up the new one, Dave had to take everything out of the van so there would be room to move the furniture. I wanted to show you how these walls looked as well. When we redid the girls' bathroom, we ended up with an extra mirror, so I thought it'd be nice to hang it above these drawers that we use for our shoes.
From afar, wishing upon a star. If you could only see what I see, trying to open up your eyes that been wide shut, but I believe it's not a dream. I'm gonna change your mind about me. I gotta make you see me fit perfectly, like it's meant to.
Then there's this mirror. We had it leaning on the landing of the stairs for years, but now that the girls are getting bigger and playing around it, it ended up falling and the frame cracked. For this reason, I wanted to hang the mirror on the wall.
Could be anything.
Another reason to hang the mirror would be these lovely marks that the mirror made from leaning. It's no big deal and can be covered once it's hung.
We could talk all night long about everything, can feel this way on my own. You see it too. I'll go ahead, keeping on. I won't fold, open up and take me in. Don't be so cold, watching from afar, wishing upon a star.
The wall that was drilled is a brick wall, so the dust is dark red, and I wanted to get up every little bit with the vacuum right away.
Your eyes that been wide shut, but I believe it's not a dream. I'm gonna change your mind about me. I gotta make you see me fit perfectly, like it's meant to be, so desperately. So just follow me.
I thought I'd try hanging this mirror myself, but it was heavy and awkward, so as you'll see by my face, I ended up letting Dave help me hang it.
Be anything, a good thing. So let's change your mind about me. What you got to is hear me out. Just give me a chance. Spill your heart in the palm of my hand. Hear me out. Just give me a chance. Spill your heart in the palm of my hand. gonna change your mind about me. I gotta make you see perfectly, like it's meant to be. Desperately, so just follow me, 'cause I've got the key. Let's unlock the box and find out what's inside it. It could be anything, a good thing. So let's change your mind about me. What you got
I'm out of reason.
Once everything was in place, I saw that the shoe cabinet needed something extra, so I grabbed something I already had to give it a little bit of decor. I absolutely love this wood bowl and haven't been using it, and it ties in nicely with the color of the fish tank.
You're watching me like you want me.
I do think I'd like to add a frame to the canvas of our family photo, but who knows if I ever will. I don't want to spend too much money for it, but I don't know if I'll ever spend the time to make one. We'll see. Do you have any projects like this? I'm so happy with the new dining room table. It looks very similar to our last table, but it's expandable so we can keep it smaller most of the time, and it can seat a bunch of people once we start hosting again.
Leave me breathless, breathless.
Thank you so much for spending the day with me today. I know that I don't always film during the day, but I really wanted to try this time. I hope that you have a great night and did a little bit on your to-do list, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting